Hi there, I would like to give you a sneak peek of the upcoming snapshot feature. And what I'm going to do today is show you how the snapshot functionality works in its very basic form. Don't get stuck on the user experience. This is just to give you an idea of how things are going to work at a base level. So first we're going to initialize the file system. So we'll start a hub, fsgd local. Next step is to start the daemon. Then we're going to initialize the hub. Okay. Now that we've done that, we could link to GD local on drive letter L. And now we're connected. Next thing we're going to do is copy some files from the local disk to drive L. While this is copying, let's create a text document called snapshot1, and let's just put something in there. Snapshot1 indeed. Okay, we're gonna save that. The file copy completed. So the next thing we're gonna do is we'll say lucid snapshot create, and I'll give it a label, and the snapshot's being created. Now that the snapshot was created, let's make some modifications. So we'll start out by deleting half of these folders. Then we'll rename this file and also modify its content. Okay, I saved it. And let's create another snapshot called snapshot2. Then let's delete the rest of the content of the source folder. Okay, rename again. And modify the content to snapshot3. Save. And we'll create our final snapshot, after which we can completely delete whatever was here, and in fact we can put something else. I'm just picking something at random. Here it is. Alright. Now, let's now activate the last snapshot. So what we're going to do is say lucid activate, and instead of activating the live space, which is currently active, we're going to activate a read-only snapshot number 3. Now, if we open drive letter L, we'll see that the file is here and the source folder is empty. Let's go back to the previous snapshot and go to L, snapshot2, and some of the information should be here. Let's just open up one file at random. There it is. And finally, snapshot1. Okay, and we should be able to look at all the content. I'm going to open it with Visual Studio. And let's just browse. And as you can see, all the content is here. Alright, and finally, I can reactivate the live space again. And voila, everything is back to where it was. That's it. Thank you.